There's another box out of inventory. This is gaskets like throttle body and intake and other oil gaskets, not cooling system gaskets. Those there are 229 Chevy V6 and early 4.3 fuel pump gaskets there, different than small block Chevy. It wasn't until they went to the TBI blocks in 87, 88 that they started putting like small block Chevy block off plates on them. Okay. These are throttle body gaskets, 96 only, 3.4 liter VIN Code X dual overhead cam, and it's what you call a twin dual cam because it's got 4 cams, 2 in each cylinder head. And these are for the GM 30 V6, which is a Holden / Opel V6, also used in England and Vauxhalls. Sold here in the Cadillac Catera, the Saturn Aurora, the Saturn L300s, and some of the L100s. L200s are mostly 4 cylinders. That there is a gasket for a smog system, and you can see this is made in USA, but that part number 9485 8996, that is for a car either built in Korea, Japan, or like one of the ones that's co-built with Toyota here in America at the Nami plant. These here, those are oil seals, and I've sold a few of those before. This here is a Duramax gasket. An interesting thing about Duramax was designed by Isuzu. 100% Isuzu design. GM and Isuzu partnered on Duramax after it was designed. Isuzu wanted something from GM, mainly freedom, because GM owned 50% of them, and GM wanted Duramax. So, for its freedom from slavery of GM, Isuzu traded Duramax to GM and gave them some other concessions, like non-compete and medium-duty truck sales here in the United States, which is why all the MPRs went from being Isuzus to Chevrolet badged that year. Anyways, one of the concessions is a lot of the gaskets and stuff are made in Japan by contractors Isuzu owns, or or Isuzu. It's funny how many companies they really own. I got gaskets here like mass airflow sensor gaskets. There's a throttle body gasket for a 3.8 that doesn't have factory packaging. There's more of those 3.4 twin cam. Here's some gaskets. I have them cross-referenced over to an aftermarket part number and the GM number. And just to give you an idea, there are anywhere from 50 to 100 gaskets in here of different part numbers. Some like that where it's a quantity 34 and it was originally a quantity 50 box. And some are one gasket, or like these I have 15 plus of. So people are always asking, well, how can you have that many car parts? Doesn't it take a whole warehouse? No,